So today's video is strictly focusing on enhancing your natural features using makeup. So I'll also be using some clean makeup products, clean beauty products, are cosmetic products that are created without synthetic chemicals and ingredients that could harm your body or irritate your skin. My favorite clean beauty brands are ILIA Beauty, bareMinerals, Kosas, and First Aid Beauty. And Nordstrom actually has one of the best clean beauty brands. They have a category within their website called Natural Beauty where you can shop clean beauty products from makeup to skincare and body care. And it's really easy to shop online on their website, or you can pick up in store. So I'm using some of the products that I got from them to create this look. And a big thank you to Nordstrom for sponsoring today's video. Alright, so first you always want to start by priming your skin. So this is a really moisturizing, and I like to use moisturizing primers, especially during the hot, humid weather. I feel like whenever my skin is hydrated, it just looks more natural and it just allows my skin to have like that natural glow. So you always want your primer to settle on your skin for about like 3 minutes so that it can absorb all those properties before you move on to applying foundation, which is what I'm gonna do. Alright, so now that the primer has settled onto the skin, I'm gonna go ahead and spot correct. So whenever I want to enhance my beauty, I just want to cover up a few acne dark marks or like active acne. So you want to use a concealer that is closer to your skin color. You just want to make sure that the shade matches your skin. And so I like to just look at my skin and figure out where I need the correction, and I just apply a little bit around that area. And one thing I try to avoid is areas that are naturally dark, such as like dark marks, beauty spots, and beauty marks. And then once I do that, I like to take a beauty sponge and just press that onto my skin. And then after that, I like to go in with liquid highlighter. So I'm going to use this ILIA Beauty liquid serum highlighter. So this is one of Nordstrom's clean beauty products, and I like to use a serum highlighter because it's very natural, and I like to use it before I apply foundation because it gives me that natural glow from within the skin. So I like to just press this at the highest points of my cheekbones and use a beauty sponge to press that onto my skin. It also helps to absorb all that excess product. So you can use any type of concealer for this. I like to use a concealer that will help brighten my under eyes because you don't want to have dark under eyes because you're gonna look dull. So you want something that will really brighten up your face and will kind of give your skin that naturally bright under eye. So you don't want to use a concealer that's too much of a full coverage concealer because you really want to just enhance that natural beauty. So you want to use one that is lightweight or a medium coverage concealer. Then you want to take a damp beauty sponge and blend it out, and then pick up a little bit of what's left and just kind of place it on the other areas that you would apply concealer. This allows you to really flawlessly blend out the excess without having to add more concealer on the other areas. So I'm placing some on my chin as well. So I'm going to use a little bit of that concealer and literally just place it right below my natural contour. So this is going to give it that natural contour so you don't have to contour. And this is really going to help you enhance that natural contour that you have so you don't have to like add additional contour on there. Alright, so next I'm going to use the bareMinerals matte powder foundation. So I really love bareMinerals because it gives me very skin-like, very natural, especially their powdered foundation. And I love the fact that it's also a clean beauty brand, which is really good because when we're putting powder on our skin, we want to be cautious of the types of ingredients that are contained within the powder, especially if we wear powder every single day. So I really love this bareMinerals powder foundation, been using it for years, and it's been a game changer, honestly. So this is what I'm going to be using, and the shade that I use is Golden Deep 28. So to apply the powder foundation, I like using a fluffy stippling brush, one that the bristles are really soft and not dense at all. The reason why I like using this because it allows me to really blend that powder foundation onto my skin versus packing it. When you pack it, you're getting coverage, but when you blend it out in circular motion, you're literally just applying it but really mixing it really well in your skin so it looks super natural. It's gonna look like you don't even have any foundation on. So I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and I like to just kind of like dip that into the powder and dust off the excess. And what I like to do is in circular motion, I just like to press that onto my skin, making sure to really just build up the coverage. I'm not going in with too much because we really just want to enhance our skin and make it look like really skin-like. And if you have dry skin, you definitely want to make sure that you've moisturized your skin before using any form of powder foundation, because if you don't moisturize, you're literally sucking all that hydration that your skin already has. So you want to make sure you're adding a little bit of hydration, a little bit of moisture before applying the powder on your skin. So I'm just doing this in circular motion, going over all the areas that need that coverage. All right, so next I'm gonna set this concealer under my eyes. So I'm gonna pick up this translucent loose setting powder. So I like using a translucent powder because it's very light coverage, so it doesn't leave too much coverage on my skin. And so I'm just picking this up with a fluffy brush and just placing this right underneath my eye. So as you can see, my skin looks super natural. We haven't added any contour, but I still have that natural contoured look. All right, so pretty much we're done with the eyes. Next we're gonna just apply blush and tie in the whole makeup look. So this is a cream blush and I like to apply this with a beauty sponge, and I like to place this on the apples of my cheeks and just kind of drag it all the way out. And you can use your finger to just press that onto your skin. Your finger will really help to blend this blush in a very natural way. So I'm gonna pick up a little bit of that and I'm just gonna place this on the highest points of my cheekbones. This highlighter seems to be very, very pigmented, so you wanna just kind of build it up. And because this is just like a natural type of makeup look, you just wanna place a little bit to give you like that natural glow. You don't wanna pick up too much. A little bit on your forehead. And I like to apply a little bit on the button of my nose. All right, so lastly, I'm gonna spray my whole face, and I'm using the ILIA Beauty Light Filter Protect and Set Mist. And so I like to just press this into my skin to make sure that it settles really well and doesn't move or create any patches on the skin. And this will get your makeup to look super skin-like and natural. And this is it for this makeup tutorial to really just enhance your natural beauty. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs this video up for your girl. And a big thank you to Nordstrom for sponsoring today's video. And also check out my next video over here. So this is a very beginner-friendly makeup tutorial. I go step by step in detail on creating a full face of makeup.
KLJ, welcome to a channel where it's poppin'.